Hi, hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you how to add shortcut apps on home screen or your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Actually it's very easy, but the button is gone because previously in my previous phone the button was there. For example, if I press and hold this Disney Plus and Hotstar, there it should be an add to home screen button, but now it's gone. So how to doing that? Just press and hold until it pop up, and then like this, the pop up, you can slide over your apps and it will returns to your home, so you can make it the shortcut to your home screen. I do another example. For example, I want to make this Kindle on the home screen. I press and hold, keep hold and slide to any direction to make it go to your home screen. Very easy, alright. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you, bye bye.